जय हिंद मित्रों, अतुल्य एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं जो डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ ये है जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चन। और ये जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चन जो है मेनली है टेक्निकल ग्रुप के लिए, लेकिन बाकी जो ट्रेड है जैसे जीडी है, क्लर्क है, नर्सिंग असिस्टेंट है, तो वो भी देख सकते हैं, उनके लिए काम का भी है ये। यानी क्वेश्चन का जो लेवल है बेसिक्स टू एडवांस है ये। ठीक है, तो चलो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या है। द बेस्ट कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज फिल्टर्ड हॉट वाटर, डिस्टिल्ड वाटर, फिल्टर्ड वाटर एट रूम टेम्परेचर, सॉल्ट वाटर। इसका जो सही जवाब है यह है डी, दैट इज सॉल्ट वाटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे चलते हैं। टू कार्स पासिंग ईच अदर एट हाई स्पीड आर इन डेंजर ऑफ साइड स्वीपिंग बिकॉज। पहला ऑप्शन, ऑफ द इंक्रीज इन एयर प्रेशर इन द स्पेस बिटवीन देम, बी of decrease in velocity of air molecules between them, C of decrease in air pressure in the space between them, and D increase in the velocity of air molecules between them. Which one is the right answer? I see. Next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3. Nuclear fission is caused by the impact of proton, electron, neutron, none of these. The right answer is neutron. Next question, that is question number 4. Which of the following is caused as a coolant in nuclear reactors? Heavy water, cadmium, liquid sodium, and graphite. The right answer is 4C, that is liquid sodium. Next question, that is question number 5. Which of the following has the least penetrating power? Alpha particles, beta particles, gamma rays, all have the same penetrating power. So 5, the right answer is alpha particle. Question number 6. Optic fibers are mainly used for which of the following? Communication, weaving, musical instruments, food industry. The right answer is communication. And next question number 7. Which of the following are most penetrating? Alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, X rays. The right answer is C, that is gamma rays. Next question 8. Old written material which cannot be read easily can be read by cosmic rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, none of these. The right answer is infrared rays. Question number 9. Cryogenic engines find application in rocket technology, frost free refrigerators, submarine propulsion, researchers in superconductivity. So A is the right answer, rocket technology. Next question, question number 10. The best colors for a sun umbrella will be black, black on top and white on the inside, white on top and black on the inside, printed with all the 7 colors of rainbow. So C is the right answer. Question number 11. Which of the following laws is explained by the statement that matter can neither be created nor destroyed? A. Law of conservation of energy. B. Le-Chatelier's principle. C. Law of conservation of mass. D. Law of osmosis. So right answer is C. Next question is 12. Aviation fuel for jet airplanes consists of purified petroleum, kerosene, gasoline, diesel. The right answer is kerosene. Question number 13. Which of the following is the correct combination of the inventors and inventions? Galileo Galilei transistors, Elisa Thomson windmill, J.L. Baird television, Sir Frank Whittle laser. So C is the right answer. This combination is true. Next question 14. Who among the following laid the foundation of nuclear science in the country? Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Jahangir Bhabha, M.G.K. Menon, Raja Ramanna. So the right answer is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Question number 15. What happens to the level of mercury in barometer tube when it is taken down a coal mine? It falls, remains unaltered, rises and then falls. So 15, the right answer is C, rises. Next question is 16 number. In a barometer, mercury is preferred over water because mercury is good conductor of heat, mercury shines and therefore its level can be read easily. Mercury has high density and low vapor pressure. Mercury is available in pure form. So the right answer is C. A bomb is dropped at a point from a moving aeroplane. The pilot observes that the bomb traverses a curved path and falls some distance behind that point. B. The bomb traverses a curved path and falls some distance ahead. C. The bomb drops vertically downward. D. The bomb remains stationary in the air for some time. The right answer is B. Next question number 18. When two bodies, a heavy one and the light one, are acted upon by the same force for the same time, then the light body builds up a lower velocity than the heavy one and the momentum gained is different in both cases. The option number B, the light body builds up a higher velocity than the heavy one and the momentum gained is different in both cases. Option number C, the light body builds up a higher velocity than the heavy one and the momentum gained is the same in both cases. Option number D, none of above is correct. So the right answer is C. Next question number 19. Rise of mercury in barometer indicates fair weather, storm, rain, B and C both. 19 is the right answer, fair weather. Next question 20. The source of our energy is basically the ocean, sun, atmosphere, space. Which one is right? Sun. 21. When light passes from air into glass, it experiences change in frequency and wavelength, frequency and speed, wavelength and speed, frequency, wavelength and speed. So right answer is C, wavelength and speed. Next question is 22. Which of the following are the discoveries of Einstein? Radioactivity and photoelectric effect. B. Radioactivity and theory of relativity. C. Theory of relativity and photoelectric effect. D. X-rays and photoelectric effect. 22, that is C, right answer. And 23, a convex mirror makes a good rear view mirror for a car because it does not form diminished images. B. It has no focal point. C. Its image can be thrown on a screen. D. It forms erect, reduced images. 23. The right answer is D. Now question number 24. The nuclides having the same number of neutrons but different number of protons or mass number are known as isobars, isoelectrics, isotopes, isotones. The correct answer is isotones. Next question. Why is there a spluttering sound when water is sprinkled on hot water? Option number A, boiling point of water is higher than that of oil. B, boiling point of the oil is higher than that of water. C, oil and water do not mix. D, oil and water combine to form a compound. So the right answer is B. Next question 26. Which falls down faster in vacuum, a feather, a wooden ball or a steel ball? Option number 1, a wooden ball. B, a feather. C, a steel ball. D, all will fall down at the same speed in a vacuum because there will be no air resistance. That is 26. The right answer is D. Now question number 27. Materials used for making cooking utensils should have low specific heat and high thermal conductivity. B, high specific heat and high thermal conductivity. C, low specific heat and low thermal conductivity. D, high specific heat and low thermal conductivity. So which one is the right answer? D is the right answer. Next question number 28. Machines parts get jammed in winter because the viscosity of lubricant used in machine parts increases with the decrease in temperature. B, The viscosity of lubricant used in machine parts decreases with the decrease in temperature. C. The inertia of machine parts decreases with the decrease in temperature. Option D. The inertia of machine parts increases with the decrease in temperature. I mean, the right answer is 28. B is the right answer. Next question 29. Usually light travels faster than sound. However, when we switched a television set on, the picture comes later than the sound. The reason is that. Option number A. In TV transmission, sound is transmitted first and picture is transmitted later. B. There is always a delay in the picture tube getting switched on. C. Emission of electrons from the picture tube takes time. D. The wiring for picture tube is much longer compared to that of the speaker. So which one is the right answer? C is the right answer. Emission of electrons from the picture tube takes time. Next question number 30. The most significant revolution in physics in the 19th century was Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom, B. Nuclear fusion, C. Planck's quantum theory and Einstein's theory of relativity, D. Quantum mechanics. So D, that is quantum mechanics. Question number 31. MHO, that is mho, is the unit of resistance, a specific resistance, conductivity, none of the above. So the right answer is B, a specific resistance. When an electric bulb breaks, there is a mild bang due to the chemical reaction between the enclosed gases. The compressed gases rushing out suddenly, the air rushing in to fill the evacuated space. D, none of the above. 32. C is the right answer. Question number 33. Transfer of heat energy from the sun to the moon takes place by radiation only, radiation and conduction, radiation and convection, radiation, conduction and convection. So which one is right? A is the right answer, radiation. 34. The right answer of 34. First, let me speak question of this number. Microphone is a device in which sound waves are directly transmitted. Electrical energy is converted into sound waves directly. Question number C. Sound waves are converted into electrical energy and then reconverted into sound after transmission. D. Amplification is not required at all. So 34 is the right answer. C1 is the right answer. Next question number 35. The blue color of the water in the sea is due to. Option number A. Absorption of other colors by water molecules. B. Reflection of the blue light by the impurities in sea water. C. Reflection of blue sky by sea water and scattering of blue light by water molecules. D. None of the above. So which one is right? C is the right answer. Question number 36. A lighted candle gets extinguished when covered with a tumbler because of adequate supply of air, inadequate supply of air, presence of non-luminous matter, none of the above. 36. B is the right answer. Inadequate supply of air. Question number 37. A weather balloon is not fully inflated on the ground because it cannot rise up in the air when fully inflated. B. It cannot withstand with the outside pressure it fully inflated. C. If the balloon is fully inflated, it may not remain stable in the storm. D. The air inside the balloon expands as it rises and may burst. So 37, right answer of 37 is D. 38. One should not connect a number of electric appliances to the same power socket because the appliances will not get full voltage, the appliances will not get proper current. This can damage the appliances, this can damage the domestic wiring due to overheating. So which one is right? D is the right answer. Question number 39. Small drops of liquid are spherical in shape because the earth attracts all the particles of the drop equally. B. For a given volume, the surface area of a sphere is maximum. C. The surface energy is maximum for the spherical space. D. The surface energy is minimum for the spherical shape. So which one is right answer? 39. The right answer is D. Question number 40. A ship rises as it enters the sea from a river because the water in the sea is hard water. Large quantity of water in the sea pushes the ship upwards. C. Density of sea water is lower than that of river water. D. Density of sea water is higher than that of the river water. So D is the right answer. Now question number 41. Which of the following is good nuclear fuel? Uranium 238, Neptunium 239, thorium 236 and plutonium 239. So right answer is D. Question number 42. In an atomic explosion, enormous energy is released which is due to the conversion of neutrons into protons, B. Conversion of chemical energy into heat energy, and C. Conversion of chemical energy into nuclear energy, D. Conversion of mass into energy. So 42, the right answer is D. Now 43. Which of the following is used as moderator in nuclear reactor? Ordinary water, iridium, thorium, graphite. So the right answer is D, graphite. 44. The most abundant metal in the earth's crust is zinc, copper, aluminum, iron. So the right answer is aluminum. 45. An alloy used in making heating elements for electric heating devices is solder, alloy steel, nichrome, germanium, German silver. German silver. So which one is the right answer? C. 46. The filament of an electric bulb is made of iron, nichrome, tungsten, graphite. The right answer is tungsten. Question number 47. Carbon, diamond and graphite are together called isomers, allotropes, isomorphous, isotopes. So B is the right answer, allotropes. 48. Galvanized iron sheets have a coating of tin, lead, zinc, chromium. So C is the right answer, zinc. 49. Which of the following metals was first discovered by man? Bronze, silver, iron, copper. So D is the right answer, copper. Question number 50. An element that does not occur in nature but can be produced artificially is thorium, radium, plutonium, uranium. This is plutonium. 51. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Zircon, nuclear reactors. B. Manganese, dry battery. C. Mica, bleaching powder. D. Bauxite, tanning. So C is the right answer. Question 52. The element found on the surface of the moon is tin, tungsten, tantalum and D. Titanium. So D is the right answer. 53. The average salinity of sea water is 20%, 25%, 30%, 35%. So this one is D is the right answer. Question 54. The metallic constituents of hard water are magnesium, calcium and tin, iron, tin and calcium, calcium, magnesium and iron, magnesium, tin and iron. So which one is the right answer? C is the right answer. The high temperature superconductors are metal alloys, ceramic oxides, inorganic polymers, pure rare earth metals. So which one is right? B. That is question number 56. The variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is anthracite, lignite, pit, bitumen. 56. C is the right answer, pit. Question number 57. The highest grade of coal whose surface is shining and has the highest calorific value is bituminous, lignite, anthracite, pit. So which one is the right answer? C is the right answer. And next question 58. An atom of an element with mass number 23 and atomic number 11 will have 11 neutrons, 12 protons and 11 electrons. B. 11 protons, 12 neutrons and 11 electrons. C. 11 neutrons, 11 protons and 12 electrons. D. 23 protons and 11 electrons. So which one is the right answer? B is the right answer. What are soaps? Salts of silicates, ester of heavy fatty acids, sodium of or potassium salt of heavy fatty acids, mixture of glycerol and alcohols. Which one is right? C is the right answer. Question number 60. In vulcanizations, natural rubber is heated with carbon, sulfur, silicon, phosphorus. So B is the right answer. Next question number 61. Which of the following is used as a filter in rubber tires? Graphite, coal, coke, carbon black. 61. The right answer of 61 is D, that is carbon black. Question number 62. Which one of the following fertilizers have more nitrogen content? Urea, ammonium nitrate, potassium nitrate, ammonium phosphate. The right answer is A, that is urea. 63. Dialysis is used for people with defective kidneys. It involves the process of adsorption, osmosis, electrophoresis, and D is diffusion. The right answer is osmosis. 64. The substance coated on plastic tape recorder tapes is zinc oxide, manganese oxide, iron sulfide, iron oxide. The right answer is iron oxide. Water is a compound because it exists as a solid, a liquid or a gas. It contains hydrogen and oxygen. C. It contains two different elements joined by chemical bonds. C. And D. It cannot be split up into simpler substances by. The right answer is C. Next 66 question number. Of the following metals which are used to pollute the air of a big city? Copper, chromium, lead, cadmium. C is the right answer, lead. The element present in the largest amount in rocks and minerals is 67. The right answer is B, silicon. Which of the following is the lightest metal? Mercury, silver, lithium, lead. The right answer is lithium. 69. Question number. The most malleable metal is silver, gold, aluminum, sodium. The right answer is gold. 70. Balloons are filled with helium, oxygen, nitrogen, argon. The right answer is helium. 71. Which of the following is used in beauty parlors of hair setting? Chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon. The right answer is sulfur. Next question. Which of the following is the lightest gas? Nitrogen, hydrogen, ammonia, carbon dioxide. The right answer is hydrogen. Question number 73. Which one of the following is not a mammal? Bat, B, duck-billed platypus, C, shark, D, whale. The right answer is shark. Next question. The phenomenon by which water molecules move from a weaker solution to a stronger solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called diffusion, osmosis, transpiration and translocation. The right answer is B, osmosis. 75. In the human eye, the focusing is done by to and fro movement of the eye lens. B, to and fro movement of the retina. C, change in the convexity of the eye lens. D, change in the refractive index of the eye fluids. Right answer is A. Question number 76. The largest flower in the world is that of lotus, rafflesia, giant cactus, none of these. The right answer is 76B. Question number 77. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the body? Vitamin A, B, C, D. The right answer is D. And 78. Which of the following diseases is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Option number A, hydrocele, B, hydrophobia, C, hydrocephalus, and D, hydroperic. The right answer is B. 79. The vitamin which is very liable and easily destroyed during cooking as well as storage is. The right answer is C. Question number 80. The compound used in anti-malarial drug is aspirin, neoprene, isoprene, chloroquine. D is the right answer, chloroquine. Next question, that is 81. Which of the following tests help in diagnosis of cancer? X-ray, urine test, blood test, biopsy test. 81, that is biopsy test. Question number 82. Which of the following vitamin is synthesized in the body by intestinal bacteria? Vitamin B1, vitamin B4, vitamin D, and vitamin K. The right answer is vitamin K. Question number 83. Which acid is produced when milk gets sour? Acetic acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid, and butyric acid. The right answer is C, lactic acid. 84. The most important requirement for the people of a flood hit area is a smallpox vaccination, BCG injections, inoculation against cholera, none of the above. 84. C is the right answer. 85. During sleep, a man's blood pressure increases, decreases, remains constant, fluctuates. The right answer is fluctuates. Question number 86. Sugar syrup is used for the preservation of fruits because it kills the microorganisms present in them, helps to improve their taste and flavor, drains moisture to inhibit growth of microorganisms. D, mixes well with the fruits. 86, the C is the right answer. Next question number 87. Salt is used in our food because it makes the food tasty. We sweet and lose salt. C, it helps in production of hydrochloric acid required to digest the food. D, it makes water absorb food particles better. So which one is the right answer? 87, C is the right answer. 88. The vitamin which is generally excreted by human in urine is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, none. So 88, the right answer is vitamin C. 89. A person who lives exclusively on milk, egg and bread is likely to become a victim of. Question number 89. A person who lives exclusively on milk, egg and bread is likely to become a victim of rickets, scurvy, xerophthalmia, none of them. The right answer is B, scurvy. Question number 19. In the rabbit and horse, the appendix is very small, helps in digestion of cellulose, has no use, stores food. B is the right answer. Next question 91. A girl ate sweets while fanning the flies away. Due to this, she suffered from a disease diagnosed as kwashiorkor, tuberculosis, diphtheria. The right answer is cholera. Calcium content is maximum in bajra, maize, sorghum, wheat. So B is the right answer, maize. Question number 93. Which of the following has been found useful in keeping cholesterol level down? C, garlic. 94. A ready source of energy available for athletes is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins. A is the right answer. And next question, that is 95. Milk, cheese and eggs are the source of vitamin. Question number 95. Milk, cheese and eggs are the source of vitamins B and C, A and C, C and D, A and D. So D is the right answer. 96. For pasteurization of milk by flash method, milk is heated to a temperature of 10 degree, 37 degree, 72 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. So which one is right? C is the right answer. 97. Transfer of genetic information from one generation to the other is accomplished by DNA, messenger RNA, transfer RNA, B and C both. So C is the right answer. Next question, that is 98. The unit structure of which gene is made up of RNA, nucleotides, DNA, endoplasmic reticulum. So 98, that is C part, that is DNA. Question number 99. Rigidity of cell wall is due to chitin, lignin, C suberin, D pectin. So right answer is lignin. Question number 100. Cell theory was propounded by R. Virchow, B. Robert Hooke, C. Sheldon and Swan, D. William Harvey. C is the right answer. इस तरह से हमने आज and we have completed 100 questions from general science sections. So hope you might have enjoyed this lesson and you might have just increased your knowledge. इसके बाद यदि आपको लगता है इस तरह के और भी वीडियोस बनने चाहिए तो आप कमेंट्स करते रहिए और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम वीडियो बनाएंगे, ठीक है। यदि इस चैनल पर आप पहली बार आए हो, यानी कि अतुल्य एकेडमी चैनल पर यदि आप पहली बार आए हो, नए हो, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और अपने मोबाइल का नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन रखिए ताकि हर अपडेट, हर वीडियो आपको यहाँ से मिलता रहे नॉन स्टॉप, ठीक है। मिलते हैं हम लोग एक दूसरे वीडियो में जहाँ पर इस तरह की और भी इन्फॉर्मेटिव बातें हम करेंगे। तब तक इस वीडियो को इतना प्यार से देखने, सुनने, समझने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।